Don't worry about King Dynasty.
What are you about to do, India? You can't give Ireland King Dynasty land.
What else you want me to do? Maybe soon or later, someone will take King Dynasty land for sure, so it will be better someone from our side take that land.
Actually, you are correct.
What are you both talking about?
We want you to take that France land, which is currently occupied by King Dynasty.
But won't King Dynasty attack me if I did this?
King Dynasty is stuck somewhere. He won't attack you.
You don't have to tell him full story, Pakistan.
He is in our team. We can trust him.
Okay, fine. Do whatever you want to do. I am going to my land back. You come to after explaining everything to Ireland.
Okay, India. So Ireland, King Dynasty is stuck in a pocket dimension. So you can take France land. He can't harm you.
Thanks, Pakistan, for giving me information. I'm sure after occupation of France, all problems of my citizens will end.
I'm glad that I could help you, Ireland. Now I have to go.
Bye, Pakistan.
Bye, Ireland.
After invading France, my citizens are free from loan, but my hunger of power is still not ended. I want more power. How can I forget? King Dynasty can't attack me. King Dynasty occupied many nations in Africa. Thanks, King Dynasty. Because of you, I will hold more power.
Shout out to